Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, first unlock the device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you will see a toggle called Mobile Hotspot. Looks like this, and might be on one of the pages. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate in here is because Hotspot does come with a randomly generated password, so without navigating in here you have no way of knowing what it is set to. That being said, the password that it does generate is garbage, so I recommend removing it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have 8 characters in length at least. That can be letters and numbers. There we go. And from there we can select save. Additionally, we have also the bands right here. We have 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and we have security, which I do recommend keeping as it is, both of those. The way it's set by default is basically the best way it can be set to function with the widest array of devices from different time periods, let's call it. So with 2.4, it means that even like super old phones or laptops or whatever can connect to your hotspot. While if you change it to 5, it might be better, but not every device will support it. And see anything else? We do have support for Wi-Fi 6, and there's nothing interesting anywhere in here, so we're gonna select save. You can close this. Find the toggle once more, and now tap on it, select... Oh, unfortunately we do need to turn off Wi-Fi for some stupid reason. Apparently Samsung is not good enough to support 2 different bands for this, but okay. So keep in mind, when using your hotspot, you want to be able to use your Wi-Fi. All the data that you'll be sharing right here through this hotspot is going straight through your mobile data. So if your data plan on your SIM card is quite low, I would probably recommend either setting some limit on it or just stay away from this option. Now, with that being said, once you're done utilizing your hotspot, you can simply tap on it once more to disable it, and this will automatically turn back on your Wi-Fi. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.